Hi, thanks for watching the video. I'm Todd Baginski. I'm a Microsoft MVP and partner and CTO at Canvas. Today's video was inspired by a comment I received on my YouTube channel about the Shoutouts PowerApp sample template. In the comment, Butters says, "Hi there, I'm currently developing this app for my organization, and it's going pretty well. I've customized the activity feed to my liking, but now I want to change the types of shoutouts. What's the best way to do that?" Well, thanks for your comment, Butters. I'm going to show you how to go about that now and give you a little walkthrough in this video. Luckily, this is a very simple process to do. Let's get started. Here you can see the Shoutouts PowerApp sample template. You can obtain this PowerApp sample template from web.powerapps.com, going to the Create section on the left, and then scrolling down until you find the Shoutouts app. Then you can select which form factor you'd like and click Make this app. After you do that, the PowerApp will be opened up in the PowerApps editor and it will show up in your list. I've saved mine as Shoutouts Tablet with new badges. So here we can see the new Shoutouts PowerApp sample template and that I have customized it. Here where I'm selecting the shoutout type, I can see all the ones that come right out of the box with this template. And if I go down to the bottom here, you can see a new one I created that says Monster Effort. If I click on this one, notice the color at the top changes. I have a different badge name, a badge icon, and the description on the left is also new as well. So let's jump into how I added this to the sample template and show you how you can do it to your own. The different images and the metadata about these different badges inside of the Shoutouts PowerApp sample template are defined within the application itself. If I put the application back into edit mode instead of preview mode here, the first thing I'd like to do is show you in the backstage here, if I click Media, you will see all the different icons. For example, here's the Customer Advocate badge. And here's another one for helpful feedback. Notice each badge has a color as well as a gray version of it. Now if I come back here and come back into the page one more time and go to send a shoutout, you can see that this particular one, helpful feedback that I just looked at, it's gray. But when I select on it, it becomes colored. That's why we have two different images for each of the badge types we select. So how did I add this Monster Effort badge inside of here? And how did I change the color and all the information about that badge? Well, it all starts, fittingly, back in the onStart method for the application. Here you can see this collection called All Shoutout Types. If I go into the backstage again and click Collections, I can look at all shoutout types, and now here I can see the description, the dark icon, the colored icon, the order, if it's been selected, the background color on the top bar of the page that gets selected when you click it, and then the type. So all these values, as I mentioned before, are set here when we call clear collect to create the all shoutout types collection. Out of the box, you will see 10 different ones inside of here, all the way there through Customer Advocate. So to add a new badge, what I simply do is I copy one of these, I add a comma, and then I paste it back in below. I've already done that here. Then I increment the ID to make it 11. I change the type to what I'd like it to say. I change my background color right here. That's that dark reddish color that I'm using. And then I give it the description right here as well. After I've done that, then I need to upload my new icons for this particular PowerApp. To do that, go to the backstage again by clicking File, then select Media and click the Browse button. After you've clicked the Browse button, you then navigate to the files on your file system and select them and upload them. I've already uploaded New Badge Dark and New Badge Light with the little monster icon I put on top of them. You can copy the existing Shoutouts badges if you like and change them. That's what I did here, and I then just swapped out the graphic on top of it and gave it a new name. Notice the dimensions are 80 by 80, and these are transparent images. Here you can see what the image looks like in an image editor. Notice the transparent background around the outside of the image. You're going to need that inside of yours too to make sure the app looks good. After you've uploaded your image, then you simply reference the image in icon. This is the one that has the gray, the dark color, and then icon color. And this is the one with my light color. After you've done that, you're actually going to need to save the PowerApp and reopen it. The reason is because this collection gets built in the onStart method, which only fires the first time you load the PowerApp. So after you make these changes, save your changes, close the PowerApp, and then open it back up, and you'll be able to see that particular badge inside of your list. So going back to play the app again here, as we step through the intro screens, and now we jump into the page where we can create a shout out and select someone. Now I can select the monster effort, and that value is selected in the left, and I'm able to send this particular badge to somebody for doing a great job. You can still type in the message, and then when you go to next, you can see it on the preview page that now you have the monster effort shout out badge. So as you can see, this is very simple to do. Thanks again, Butters, for reaching out and asking about it. I hope this comes in handy for you and you really get good success with it at your organization. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my PowerApps videos. I've got many more coming, and I put new content on the site all the time. Have a great day, everybody.